Hi everyone, I'm Elton from Taiwan. I'm now here in Japan exhibition. I'm doing 360 stabilized system drone in Taiwan, and I introduce you this model. This is our website, Air-360.com, and we are now doing this drone with very super stabilized gimbal system. Then we can fly through long range about 2 kilometers and 500 heights. And the good part is this gimbal system is very stable, and they got upper part and down part, and combine the full sphere 360 video that can stitch in, and your drone will be invisible, totally invisible. So check it out in my website. And of course, we are joining Takashi-san to fly through the Fuji mountain 2 days later, maybe in March 25. Then you will get Fuji mountain demo video here with 8K video. Check it out.
Check it out. Good.